QuickBooks Enterprise Business Honest Review, Watch Before Using. If you're considering QuickBooks Enterprise for your business, watch this video first. Links to QuickBooks Enterprise are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. Let's dive straight into the features, benefits, and whether this software is right for you. QuickBooks Enterprise is an advanced version of QuickBooks designed specifically for growing businesses that need robust financial and operational tools. It offers features like advanced reporting, inventory management, customizable user permissions, and industry-specific tools for manufacturing, wholesale, construction, retail, and more. The platform supports up to 40 users, making it ideal for mid-sized businesses scaling up operations. One standout feature is its inventory management system, which integrates with barcode scanning and offers real-time updates. This is especially useful for businesses with large inventories. It also supports job costing, helping businesses track project profitability with precision. Moreover, advanced reporting tools allow users to create customizable reports tailored to their specific needs, providing deep insights into financial performance. QuickBooks Enterprise also includes priority customer support, which ensures you get help when you need it. It integrates seamlessly with apps like Salesforce and Microsoft 365, making it a flexible solution for various workflows. However, keep in mind that this is a high-powered tool with a steep learning curve and a higher price tag than other QuickBooks versions. It's best for businesses with complex needs that outgrow simpler accounting software. In summary, QuickBooks Enterprise is a powerful solution for businesses requiring advanced features, scalability, and in-depth financial insights. If your business is small or just starting, this software might be overkill. But if you're managing multiple locations, large inventories, or require specific industry solutions, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews, and share it to help others make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.